Hello guys, welcome back to House of Carmel and welcome back to another video. In this video I am showing you how I digital plan. I really love this method because it is easy, it's free, and it is not very time consuming, and I have access to my planner all day every day with me. Why? Because it's on my iPad and it's on my phone. So it's free if you have an iPad or an Apple phone, and that is a lot of people in the world. But also I'm pretty sure you could find a way to replicate this system with any tablet or smartphone, because most tablets and smartphones have the type of apps that I'm using on my iPad and my iPhone. So you know, try it out, let me know what you guys think, and let's get straight into it because I don't want to waste any more time. Alright guys, so I'm opening my Reminders app on my iPad. I also have this app available and synced on my iPhone, and I can see everything that I'm doing on my iPhone as well. If you have an app similar to Reminders on another type of smartphone, I suggest using that. I love to start my planning sessions with a mind dump, and it's basically me making a huge list, or a small list sometimes, of everything I can think of that I need to get accomplished for the week. I like to do this in weekly chunks. Sometimes I do this more than once a week if I think of something else, and yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And if there's a huge task that I feel like needs its own list, then I do just that, and I'm making a separate list for everything that we need to do to get my new baby's room organized, and I'm calling it Make Room for Baby C. To see exactly how you do this, make sure you look at my very first free digital planning video. One thing you see me doing here is adding dates to the task I'm adding under this special list. I love this because I won't lose track of when I want to start to get things done here, and that's one thing I love about the automation of the Reminders app. Alright, next I'm coming back to my mind dump list. What I'm going to do here is add each task I wrote down on this list to a list for each day of the week. I like doing things this way because it gives me that daily planner effect. That way I can kind of quantitatively see how many tasks I have stacked up for a day, and if I need to move one task to another day or a list, it's easy for me to do so. So that's all I'm doing here. Another feature that gives me that daily planner effect is using the split function to toggle between my Reminders app and my calendar app. I can see them at the same time, side by side, and refer to anything I need to on the calendar. Alright, next I remembered that my husband had already created our meal plan for the week, so I'm going in and plugging this into our meal plan list. My husband and I also share this list in case he wants to go in and add that information for both of us to see. We also have a shared grocery list on this planner. Alright guys, that was the video. I hope you found this helpful. Honestly, I urge everybody to look at your planning routine and evaluate it. Is it truly serving you? Is it taking too much of your time? I am a person that actually loves traditional planning. I love the pomp and circumstance of luxury planners and stickers and different color markers and pencils and stuff. But honestly, in this stage of my life, I just don't have the time to dedicate to it right now. And I really just need a planning system. And this one really helps me. And I really love the apps that I'm using. So let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. What type of digital planner do you use? If not, do you just still, you know, are you pen to paper type of girl? I want to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more, because I'm likely going to do more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.